I want to give a brief update on what is now known as COVID-19, the coronavirus.
Promega, which will be producing the important reagent materials to be able to do the testing for COVID-19.
Well, good morning. It is Thursday, day 2 of our audit.
We need you, and we will support you through these challenging times.
I think managing your anxiety and self-care is extremely important.
More than ever before, the whole world is interested in and talking about RNA extraction and PCR.
I would like to say thanks to the operations teams here in Madison, at PBK, PBI, SP, and our global logistics staff across the globe. You are a tremendous team, and you make me grateful and proud every day. Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming!
Just keep swimming, swimming.
Companies like Promega in Madison are helping meet the growing demand for tests.
We provide the chemicals that allow the researcher to get that material and use it in a way that informs them of if someone has COVID-19 or not.
Promega makes a number of different reagents that are involved in all steps along the way in the testing process.
Morning, everybody. Hello, this is Brady Musson at the Kepler Center. And with me, I have my trusted 6-foot Lance.
Thank you very much, everybody on the front lines. You're working from home. You're not unseen. Your work is greatly appreciated, and we know how difficult it is.
About 2 months ago, on March 15th, we initiated a project to detect antibodies against the SARS-CoV-2.
We sought to create a solution that would allow the analysis of the samples without having to perform sample extraction.
The purpose of this video is to give you instructions on how we are doing the COVID-19 surveillance testing on the Promega campus.
we've been able to put together a kit and workflow that actually goes to 100 kb, 200 kb, even 500 kb.
Everybody has access. It kind of democratizes the use of the instrument in the laboratory.
Things have come full circle for me here today, speaking at ISHE.